Hi friends, are you ready for today's science project? Today we're going to be making sound with water. Here is what you need. 5 glass jars, the same size. You need 4 measuring cups, different sizes. 1 metal object, I use a metal knife. Food coloring, and water. Okay friends, in today's science experiment, we're going to be making sound with water. Now that sounds very strange, but I will show you what we're going to do in a minute. You're going to get 5 glasses, about 5 jars about the same size, and you also need a knife. And I'm going to use food coloring so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now I have 4 cups, 4 measuring cups that have water in it. You're probably wondering, why do I have 5 glasses and 4 measuring cups? Well, only 4 of our jars today are going to be filled with water. I also have a metal knife, and I'm going to be using that to help me make sound. First, I'm going to tap each glass. As you can see, each glass makes a sound when I tap it. Now, the reason why you hear that sound is because when you hit it, it vibrates really fast. And when it vibrates, that's what makes the sound that you hear. And that sound is also called pitch. So now I am going to pour water in this one. Let's see what happens when you hit it now. Listen to the sounds. Sounds slightly different, right? And I'm going to put yellow in this one. This is the color yellow. And I'm going to shake it around so that you can see. All right. So my yellow jar. All right. So now I am going to pour this into this one, which is slightly a bit more water. Let's see what happens to the sound now. Hit this one first, this one next, and this one. All right, so I'm going to put blue in this one. And shake it up. Maybe since there's a little bit more water, I'm going to put a little bit more blue in here. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to put this one that has a little bit more water. I'm going to pour that in there. And I'm going to color this one green. And I'm going to put that there. I'm going to shake this around like that. Kind of looks like the yellow one. So I'm going to put some more in there. darker. Okay, now let's listen to the sounds. Did you hear that? Now, I'm going to finish off by pouring more water. And this one, I'm going to color red. This looks more purple than red. Yeah, this is definitely purple. Okay. So now, here we go. Do you hear the difference in the sounds? Now what happens is, since this one has no water in it, there's faster movements when I hit it, or faster vibrations making a high sound or a high pitch. But as I add more water in there, the vibrations slow down and then the sound or the pitch gets lower. So if you want to try this at home, you can do this and you can make your own music with water. I'm going to ask you some questions about what I did, so hopefully you were paying attention. Were you paying attention? Let's see. Here's the first question. Let's see how much you remember. The movement when the glass is hit is called... So remember when I tap the glass, do you remember what the movement is called? Is it called A, vibration, B, wiggles, or C, water? What do you think it is? Let's see who's paying attention. The answer is vibration. If you said vibration, you got it right. Question 2. The sound that comes from the vibration is called, do you remember? The sound that comes from the vibration. What is that sound called? Is it A, loud, B, pitch, or C, ding? What is the name of that sound? What is it called? The answer is B, pitch. So if you said that, give yourself 2 points. Question number 3. Which glass has the highest pitch? Which glass has the highest pitch? Is it the first glass, the second glass, the third glass, the fourth glass, or the fifth glass? Which glass has the highest pitch? Do you remember what I said? If you chose glass 1, you are correct. Give yourself 2 points. Last question. Which glass has the lowest pitch? If you know which glass has the highest pitch, you should know which glass has the lowest pitch. Is it glass 1, glass 2, glass 3, glass 4, or glass 5? Which has the lowest pitch? If you chose glass 5, give yourselves 2 points.